Hello friends, welcome back to the session. Today in this session we will solve 30 important questions of science. Our first question here is question number 1. Which law of thermodynamics introduces the concept of entropy? Correct answer of the question will be second law of thermodynamics. And the second law of thermodynamics is entropy of an isolated item increases over time. Now question number 2 here is when a moving bus stops suddenly, passengers lean forward. This is an example of the correct answer of the question will be option number B. In inertia of motion, the body in the motion wants to stay in the motion even when the bus stops. Therefore, the persons lean forward when the bus suddenly stops. This is also called Newton's first law of motion. Now, next question. Our question number 3 here is which of the following is used in treatment of cancer or radiotherapy? The correct answer of the question will be option number B, cobalt 60. It is high emitting gamma rays. Right? It is high emitting gamma rays which kills the cancer cell. Now if we say about iodine 131, it is for treatment of thyroid. Carbon 14 is used for carbon dating to find the age of fossil. It is for carbon dating, right? And uranium 238 is used for fuel in the nuclear reactor. Now the next question. Now question number 4. What is the process of conversion of a solid directly into a gas called? So we can say sublimation is the process where conversion of solid is directly into gas. Now evaporation, liquid turning into gas. It is liquid turning into gas. Condensation, here gas turning into liquid. Deposition is gas turning directly into solid. Turning directly into solid is deposition. Its reverse is called sublimation. Now our next question. Now question number 5. In human, pleura is the protective covering of which organ? And the correct answer of the questions will be lungs. And heart is protected by pericardium, right? Pericardium. And brain is protected by meninges, right? Brain is protected by meninges. And kidney is encased in a renal capsule. It is called renal capsule. Question number 6. Aqua regia is freshly prepared mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid in what ratio? And the correct answer of the question will be option number B, 3:1. 3% of hydrochloric acid and 1% of nitric acid. And it is one of the few reactants that can dissolve noble metals. This can dissolve noble metals, right? The noble metals are like gold, platinum, etc. Now moving to the next question. Our next question here is which part of the brain controls body temperature, hunger and thirst? And the correct answer of the question will be hypothalamus. Option number C, hypothalamus. It is also called thermostat of the body. It is also called thermostat of the body. And hypothalamus also links nervous system to endocrine system. It is also a connector of nerve system with endocrine system, right? Now if we call cerebrum, the front portions of our brain, it is responsible for intelligence. It is intelligence, memory, right? Memory and voluntary actions. These are done by cerebrum. And cerebellum, body control. It contains body control, right? And medulla oblongata, it controls involuntary actions like breathing, heartbreak. It controls breathing, heart ratio, right? Now moving to the next question. Our next question here is question number 8. What happens to the weight of an object when it is taken from equator to poles? Our earth is not perfect in shape. The radius smaller in poles. Radius is smaller in poles and high in equator. So the value of gravity will be different in poles and equator area. We know the weight of an item is m multiplied by g. M is mass, it is constant in earth, but the gravity is different in equator and poles. Now the value of g, gravity is high in polar area, so the value of weight will be increased. Option number A is correct for the question. Now the next question here is, the Richter scale is logarithmic. An earthquake of magnitude 6 is how many times more intense than magnitude 4? Very important questions. Please give a star mark to this question. And the correct answer of the questions will be 100 times. For each whole number, it is increased by 10 folds. 10 power by 2 here, the difference is 2. So it will be 100. So correct answer of the questions will be 100 times. Now the question number 10. It is, which mirror is used by dentists to see a magnified image of teeth? Correct answer of the question will be option number B, concave mirror. For making a magnified or bigger image, the dentist use concave mirror. Option number B is correct. Now next question. Question number 11 here is, which of the following is a classical change and not a chemical change? And option here is option number A, burning of magnesium ribbon, B, curding of milk, D, melting of wax, C, melting of wax, or option number D, digestion of food. So correct answer of the question will be option number C, melting of wax. It is a state of change solid to liquid, but when there is candle and its wick is burning, it's a chemical process, but when the solid to liquid for the wax, it is a physical only. Now moving to the next question. Question number 12. What is the main constituent of natural gas? Everybody must be knowing these questions. The correct answer of the question will be option number B, methane. It is 70 to 90% of natural gas. Propane and butane is main constituent of LPG. Now moving to the next question. Our next question here is question number 13. What is the powerhouse of the sperm cell located in the middle of its piece? And the correct answer of the question will be option number C, mitochondria. The arranged spiral in the middle piece to provide ATP or energy for the tail's movement. It is head for the tail's movement. Energy is produced in the mitochondria. So option number C is correct. Nucleus contains the generic material, that is DNA deoxyribonucleic acid. Now question number 14. In a transformer, which of the following remains constant? And the correct answer of the question will be option number C, frequency. Now transformer changes the voltage. Transformer changes the high voltage to low voltage and also changes the current flow high to low, but the frequency does not changes. Now moving to the next question. Our next question here is, which of the following is an example of colloid? The option here is salt solution, milk, muddy water, or air. Colloid, we can say it is heterogenic solution in where the one substances does not mix with the other substances. Now correct answer of the question will be option number B, milk. And other example of colloids are milk, fog, smoke, etc., where the particles do not settle easily, exhibit Tyndall and effect scatters light. Now moving to the next question. Our next question here is question number 16. The photoelectric effect was explained by Albert Einstein using which concept? And the correct answer of the question will be option number B, quantum theory or photon theory. Einstein proposed that the light contains discrete of packages. Here it is in the form of photon, and he got Nobel Prizes for the photoelectric effect only, not for the relativity. Einstein got Nobel Prize for photoelectric effect only. Now moving to the next question. Our next question here is, which blood vessel carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to lungs? Deoxygenated blood means impurified blood. And the correct answer of the question will be option number C. It is pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary arteries carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to lungs. And pulmonary veins, it carries oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to heart. And systematic arteries carries oxygenated rich blood to the body. And systematic veins, these carry deoxygenated blood or poor blood from the body to the heart. Aorta is the largest, it is the largest artery and it carries oxygenated blood to the body. Now next question, question number 18 of this series is, what is Curie point or Curie temperature? And the correct answer of the question will be option number B. Option number B, temperature where the substance loses magnetic property. So option number B is correct. It is also called magnetic transaction. It is also called magnetic transaction. At above certain temperature, a ferromagnetic materials becomes paramagnetic. From ferromagnetic to it becomes paramagnetic after the apply of certain heat, and in this process they loses their permanent magnetism. Now the next question of the series here is, which organic compound is used to preserve biological specimen? And the correct answer of the question will be formaldehyde or formalin. Formalin or formaldehyde is used to prevent tissue decay. In some laboratories, you might have seen for conservation of some species, some liquid is used. This is called formaldehyde or formalin. Now moving our next question. Next question here is now question number 20. It is, an object is placed at center of curvature. The object is placed at center of curvature of an concave mirror. A concave mirror object is placed at the center of curvature. Now correct answer of the questions will be option number B. Option number B, real, inverted and same side. For this image, here the image is formed here. It is real, inverted and of same side. Now moving to the next question. Our next question number 21 here is, Minamata disease is caused by the chronic positioning of, and correct answer of the question will be option number C, mercury. An effect of cadmium is Itai disease, and arsenic causes black foot disease. It causes black foot disease. Now moving to the next question. Our next question here is, which gas is used in the hydrogenation of vegetable oil to make banaspati ghee? Correct answer of the question will be option number B, hydrogenation. In this process, nickel is used. Nickel is used like a catalyst to convert liquid unsaturated fats into solid saturated fat. Now moving to the next question. Our next question here is, what is the escape velocity of moon, not for the earth? And the correct answer of the question will be option number B, 2.4 km per second. 2.4 km per second, because moon's gravity is weak, therefore its escape velocity will also be lesser, and the escape velocity of our earth is 11.2 km per second. Now what is escape velocity? It is minimum speed to escape the gravity. So friends, this ends for today. If the video is useful to you, do not forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching the video.